Hi, in this video I will try to explain how quicksort works. Quicksort is a recursive process and also a divide and conquer sorting algorithm. Divide and conquer sorting algorithm means dividing a problem into subproblems and then solving them individually, then after that combining them again to get the final solution. The quicksort has 4 steps. First step is to choose the pivot and then the partitioning process. What is partitioning? Partitioning basically means dividing into parts. So in this case, we're gonna divide the array into subarrays. And then we move on to the recursive sorting. The recursive sorting basically just recursively do the partitioning until the size of the subarray is either 1 or 0, which means the recursion ends. When the recursion ends, our array is now sorted. That's how the 4 steps on the quicksort. Let me show you how the quicksort works. So this is our array. This is our array. So the first step, we choose a pivot. We choose a pivot. In most cases, using quicksort, the most common pivot is the last element of the array. So in this case, our pivot is going to be 4. After choosing the pivot, we move on to the partitioning process. The partitioning process, so we divide the array into subarray. How do we do this? We will make use of our pivot. So our pivot is 4, right? We will divide the array by with this. Anything less than 4 is on the left side and anything greater than 4 is on the right side. So we check 6 is greater than, so it's going to be on the right side. 3 is less than, so it's gonna be on the left. 7 is greater than. 5 is also greater than. And then we have 1 and 2. That's how the partitioning process works. Now we have two subarrays. After the partitioning process is the recursive sorting, where we just recursively do the partitioning until the size of the subarray is either 1 or 0. So we just recursively do it again. In this array, our pivot is 2. Anything less than 2 is in the left, anything greater than is in the right. So after that, we have these two subarrays which the size is 1. So since the size of the array is now 1, it will stop. The process stops. And then we go on to the right side. The right side, we have this as the pivot. Anything greater than is on the right. Both of them is greater than, so we both put them on the right side. In this case, the subarray is the size of the subarray is 2. In the left side, the size is 1. So the here it is finally sorted, but here the size is 2. So we continue. So this is our new pivot. 6 is less than. Wait, you can see it. We continue here. Our pivot is 7. 6 is less than, so we put it here, and then it's our final subarray, which is 1. So after that, since the subarray is now is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. This means that the recursion ends. When the recursion ends, that means our array is now sorted. How do we how does it look like? How does our arrays look like? So this is the first value, 1, and then 2, 3, then here we have 4, and then here 5, and then 6 and 7. This means that our array is now finally sorted. That's the steps on how quicksort works. Here is the code for quicksort. We have here 3 functions. First is the quicksort function. Here the quicksort function starts the whole process. It calls the recursion here, the recursion function. So this function basically just starts the process. And then we have here, let's go here first, the partition function. Partitioning means dividing into parts. So here we divide the array into subarrays. First here we set the pivot. After getting the pivot, anything less than the pivot is in the left side, and anything greater than the pivot is on the right side. This is the partitioning function. And then the recursion function, which just recursively just do this until this condition is not met. This condition means that if the size of the array is either 1 or 0, the recursion process ends and our array is now sorted. And then we will go here to the main function, which we will print the sorted array. If we run this code, we will see that the array is now sorted. That is how quicksort works. If you have any more questions, comment down below and I will answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.